Hi everyone! Jaypee here. Kumusta? Kamusta kayong lahat? This is my second vlog, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 simple steps on how to make your glass cooktop from here to here. I know guys, you will find this valuable and I'm too excited to share with you our secret, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and notification bell. So, let's go! So, we have this problem sa aming glass cooktop for over a year na. May mga stubborn stains na sobrang hirap talaga tanggalin. And we tried several DIY methods like nung pag-sprinkle ng baking soda over hot towel, paggamit ng dishwashing soap, and paggamit ng plastic scrapers. Lahat yon hindi na talaga naging effective. Until mahanap namin itong 3 items na to. The ceramic hub scraper, binili namin last 8/8 sa Shopee, and yung Cerama Bright binili rin namin online. Then you can use the kitchen towel or any dry paper towel na available sa bahay dito na siyang nagbigay ng peace of mind sa amin. Peace of mind kasi nga we are just renting out this place and we don't want later on pagbayarin kami ng landlord kasi hindi namin na-maintain ng maayos yung place niya. So step 1, remove any pots, pans, or utensils before you start cleaning. Allow the cooktop to cool completely. Use a soft, clean sponge or damp cloth to clean the cooktop. Step 2, shake the bottle of glass cooktop cleaner well and then apply directly sa cooktop. Gamit ang paper towel, a clean cloth, soap, and non-abrasive. Wipe the cleaner on the surface. Then step 3, using the scraper, take care to hold the scraper at a 45-degree angle. Then you can scrape off the stubborn stains. This scraper that we bought is a surefire. Natanggal niya talaga yung mga stains na sobrang hirap matanggal dun sa glass cooktop. Finally, dry the surface with a clean rag or paper towel. Wow! Your cooktop should now be shiny and brand new looking. So, that's it for today. And if you find these tips helpful for you guys, don't forget to click on the like button. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or even tips to share, just leave it in the comment box down below. Ciao for now!